morning, respected principal, teachers, coming guests, and my dear friend. My name is Ganya Hassan and I am from class 5th. Today I want to share some words on the special occasion of Republic Day. If I mistake my speech, kindly excuse me. Today we all are here to celebrate Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. We are celebrating Republic Day in India every on 26th of January as the Constitution of India came into force as this day. We are regularly celebrating Republic Day of India since 1950 as on 26th of January. In 1950, Indian Constitution came into force. India is a democratic country where public is authorized to elect its leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president since we got independence from the British rule in 1947. Our country has developed a lot and counted among the powerful countries. Together with some development, some drawbacks have also arisen such inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a place today for solving such problems in the society to make our country best country of the world. Thanks, Jai Hind.